Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 14 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using a home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my phone. And once that is the case for you, simply hold power button and the volume down at the same time. You'll get the sound along with a pop-up. And another pop-up if you're doing this the first time around, letting you know that you can also use gestures to capture your screenshots, and you have several different ones. So you have 3-finger swipe and 3-finger hold swipe and a couple other ones. You can go through them if you prefer gestures. Now let's capture it once more. Now typically you would just see this, so pop-up with scroll and share options visible. Now once the image disappears, you can find it in your Photos application. Let me just go back. So normally you would be located in the Photos tab right over here, with the screenshots being actually visible in this section. But if you're trying to find your screenshot later on down the line, it might be much simpler to navigate into albums. And in albums, you'll find specifically an album called Screenshots. Now in here, you'll find screenshots and screen recordings, but it's still much more concise in terms of what it's showing here, opposed to the entire photo library. And you can see here are the 2 different screenshots that I've captured a moment ago. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.